Today we're going to have a look at the latest quarterly report from ARLA and how it is affecting the private rented sector, the results that we're getting coming out of that. Some interesting figures in it. Interestingly for us, there has been an increase to 40% of landlords now asking if the agent that they're considering using is regulated. Something we've expected to happen a long time ago. It's been slow, but we're happy with the increase in that. It was up 2% in the last quarter. When we start to look at the value of properties and issues like that, we are seeing an increase in the value of flats being brought to the private rented sector. That's up 1.8% on the previous quarter, but that is being basically driven by Central London market, where there is a big increase, and parts of the country other than Central London, there is a decrease in the value of property. That pretty much follows what we're getting in sales reports coming out just now as well. Our agents are also reporting an increase in the number of tenants looking for properties, that there is a greater tenant demand than there is availability of property. The last quarter said that 68% of our agents were reporting a greater demand from the tenants. That's gone up to 74%. That's quite a large increase over a period of 3 months. It's quite worrying for those that are property searching at the moment. However, more tenants are reported as to be struggling with their rent. And I think there's a very important message for a prospective tenant coming through there. Do not be tempted to stretch yourself too far with your rent. We would suspect that a lot of those struggling have taken out a commitment where they were perhaps still getting bonuses, they were still working overtime. That's all starting to disappear out of the economy. Having said all that, because of the supply and demand, we're still seeing increases in rents in certain parts of the country, and in particular Central London. If we look forward, I think we can expect to see rents being under pressure, that they will continue to increase. I think one of the problems that we've got today is that there are many landlords out there who would like to buy more property. There's just not stock available for them to buy, and until we see a vibrant housing market again, that will continue to be the situation.